Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. Today I'm going to show you how to hard reset your Nokia 2720. To do this operation can be helpful if you doesn't remember the password to your phone or just the software doesn't work properly. In my case, the software doesn't work properly. I have a problem, issues with our network, so I have to do the hard reset. So we have to be sure that we have a charged battery. So let's turn it off, and now press and hold volume up and power button together. Volume up and power button. Keep holding both the key. After phone wake up, keep holding volume up. That's it. Now go to wipe cache partition. Use navigation and power key for selection. So this is the power, wipe cache. Yes. Now go to wipe data factory reset and keep holding a yes. And let's see if we have some other option to restart. No, we don't have. So we can reboot system now. And now phone will start with the brand new firmware without any password and passcode on the phone. And if you have some software issues, it will be removed because phone start with the fabric software. And that's it for now. I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment, and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey!